Ever heard something that made you spill your tea, roll your eyes, or plain laugh out loud? Welcome to Say What Now TV, your place for daily content on tongue-slipping, mind-bending social issues and trending topics around the world. Be amazed, get annoyed, be entertained. Welcome to another episode of Say What Now TV. Today's episode takes us to Haiti. Our Caribbean neighbor Haiti has not seen rest from political issues and social unrest in years. The repeated onset of disasters only serve to intensify strains on the population as they struggle to recover. The existing social conditions are deplorable and persons are forced to live without basic amenities. A symptom of the political instability of the country is the rise and dominance of criminal gangs. The formation of these gangs may have occurred out of desperation as people struggle to survive. The absence of good governance has fueled the influence of the gangs, and now the public health and safety of an already vulnerable population is at stake. In October, more than 750 people, including children, were kidnapped by rival gangs. Extortion is rampant as even public sector businesses are forced to pay for their own security. The dropout rate in schools has increased, and this includes the abandonment by both teachers and students in fear for their lives. The chaos in Haiti has reached breaking point, and the United States of America is pulling the plug. U.S. citizens are urged to flee Haiti as the rift continues to cripple the provision of critical services. Hospitals, schools, and financial institutions are most affected, and the disruption to services is now at code red. The gangs have commandeered fuel stock, which drives macro companies and services in the country. The widespread fuel shortage is having a domino effect on critical sectors. The crisis continues to escalate as food prices are on their way to the moon, and a growing number of the 11 million population is plunged deeper into what is described as inhumane living conditions. More than 60% of the population earns less than $2 per day, and with the siege on fuel, they will now have to find a minimum of $5 for a gallon of gasoline. The most recent kidnapping is that of 17 members of a missionary group from Ohio. The atmosphere is tense as the U.S. continues to work with Haitian authorities for their release. This call for U.S. citizens to leave Haiti is a rare act, as the U.S. government is always keen to nurture political ties. Canada is following suit and is pulling its citizens from the country except for those operating at the Canadian Embassy. The case of Haiti has reached a point of scaring humanitarian teams. If those who generally brave harsh living conditions to help those in need are now afraid, it could signal the throwing up of hands for many countries. For the sake of Haitians, we hope this will not be the case. Share your views in the comments below and be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, check out another episode of Say What Now TV. Do you have a burning issue that would shock or entertain our viewers? Share your scoop at saywhatnowtv10@gmail.com.